Welcome to Finding Out a New World in English.
There be. There be is used to introduce existence or presence of someone or something in a specific location or situation. The singular of there be is, there is. There is a flower on the table. The plural is there are a few flowers on the table. For uncountable nouns like water, music, sand, use there is. There is happiness in the air. There is a lot of pollution around the world. For countable nouns like pen, computer, tree, use there is for singular and there are for plural. There is a bird in the garden. There are some kids at the park. Grammar structures, affirmative sentences. There is plus uncountable noun plus complement. There is plus singular countable noun plus complement. There are plus plural countable noun plus complement. There is some water in the bottle. There is a pen in the desk. There are 5 lamps at home. Grammar structures, negative sentences. There is plus not plus any plus uncountable noun plus complement. There is plus not plus any plus singular countable noun plus complement. There are plus not plus any plus plural countable noun plus complement. There isn't any water in the bottle. There is not any pen on the desk. There aren't any lamps at home. There be is used to respond to questions starting with are there, is there, how many, or how much. Grammar structures, yes, no questions. Are there plus any plus countable noun plus complement, and the question mark. Is there plus any plus complement, and the question mark. Are there any fruit trees in the garden? Positive answers. Yes, there are 2 fruit trees in the garden, or yes, there are. Negative answers. No, there aren't any fruit trees in the garden, or no, there aren't. Is there any butter in the refrigerator? Positive answers. Yes, there is a little butter in the refrigerator, or yes, there is. Negative answers. No, there isn't any butter in the refrigerator, or no, there isn't. Grammar structures, information questions, how many plus countable noun plus are there plus complement, and the question mark. How much plus uncountable noun plus is there plus complement, and the question mark. How many lilies are there in the vase? There are 22 lilies in the vase. How much sugar is there in the ice cream? There isn't much sugar in the ice cream. Countable nouns are all of the nouns that can be counted or measured. A dozen daisies, 5 kilos of sugar, 2 lamps, 40 stars. Quantifiers, quantity words for countable nouns. A lot of or lots of, there are lots of books on the shelf. Plenty of, there are plenty of options available. Many, there are not many people in this meeting. Numerous. Evelyn saw numerous people at the event. Some flowers in the park are daisies. Enough. There are enough balls to play with. Several, we have several chocolate bars at home, but they aren't enough for all. A few chairs are left. Any, I don't have any rings. Are there any good restaurants nearby? Uncountable nouns cannot be counted or measured. Much coffee, a lot of sand, a little rain. Quantifiers, quantity words for uncountable nouns. A lot of or lots of. A lot of pollution affects people's health. Plenty of, there is plenty of space in the room. Much, Helen doesn't like much sugar in her coffee. Some, there is some water in your glass. Enough, there is enough cake for everybody. A little. Alyssa would like a little honey with her tea. Any, Jerry doesn't have any idea about computers. Does Jerry have any idea about computers? Making uncountable nouns countable. Water, 2 glasses of water. Time, 6 months, happiness, 10 bursts of joy. Silence, 3 hashes of silence. Weather, 4 days of sunshine. Music, a song. Love, 2 acts of love. Darkness, 10 patches of darkness. Air, 7 breezes. Light, 5 rays of light. Watch out. Much and many are commonly used in negative sentences and questions, since they sound too formal in daily conversation. I don't have many books, natural speaking. I have many books. Formal, instead you can say, I have lots of books, or I have too many books. I don't have much time. Natural, I have much time. Formal, instead you can say, I have a lot of time, or I have so much time.